Hello everybody, I hope you're doing well and welcome to the platform of CodeChef. Okay, so today we're going to be solving the problem A Crucial Character. The difficulty level for this problem is Cakewalk and the prerequisites required are a basic knowledge of hashmap data structure. This is your educator Ansh and I hope you like my video. Let's proceed to the problem statement. Okay, now let us try and understand the problem statement, A Crucial Character. Given string S consisting of only lowercase characters, you can perform the following operation exactly once. Choose any character from the English alphabet and remove some or all occurrences of this alphabet from the given string. What is the smallest length of string that you can obtain? Okay, so basically what the problem statement is saying that you will be given a string comprising only of lowercase characters of English alphabets, right? So what you have to do is in any one operation, what you can do is you can select any bunch of elements and you can remove those. So assuming I selected my letter C, so I can remove some C's from the code. I can remove all or I can remove any of them that I want. But my goal is to find the smallest length of the string that as I can. Here, let us understand the example test cases and how we are getting the answer for those. So my ABCC, I have removed both of my characters C's and as a result the final string is AB which has a length 2 and the answer is 2. In my character ABC, I can remove any of these elements because all are occurring one time, so I will remove A, and as a result, finally, the string BC has two lengths, and the answer is 2. And then for my final test case, which is OIUYT, I can remove any of them, so I remove O, and as a result, I have a 4 length string, and the answer for this particular case is 4, right? So now, what can we do to approach this particular problem? So, the approach to this problem can be done as follows. You can just simply count the frequencies of each and every element. So, say for my string ABCC, my frequency of A is occurring one time, my frequency of B is one time, and my frequency of C is 2 times. And what you can do is, since you can apply this operation exactly once, and you have to obtain the size or the smallest length of the string, what you can do is you can obtain the string with maximum frequency and remove all occurrences of that particular string, right? So I'll choose C because it has a maximum frequency of 2. And then I'm indicating that from C I can easily remove these two elements and the resultant is nothing but my minimum string length, right? So basically the answer will be nothing but n, which is the total length of the string, say my n here is 4, minus the frequency or the maximum frequency of a character. So n minus maximum frequency of a character I, where my I denotes the character having the maximum frequency, right? So this is what the problem is saying. So here my n is 4 and then my frequency is 2. So 4 minus 2 which is 2, and as you can see the answer for this case is 2, right? So we can easily obtain this particular code, like we can easily approach this particular problem in such a pattern. Now let us see the coding section for this particular problem, where you'll get the complete understanding for this following approach, right? So let us proceed to the coding section. Okay, now let us try and understand the code for the following problem, right? So firstly, I define all the constants and the header files necessary. So there is a template, you can make your own template accordingly, right? In my main function, for each of my test cases, what I do is, I take input string s according to the input format, and then I input my string s. I initialize my hash map for frequency array, right? What I do is I traverse in my string and increment the each and every character by its occurrence. So basically we calculate the frequency of all the elements. Then we initialize our current answer as n minimum because we have to take the maximum of all the frequencies, right? Then I traverse in my hash map and I calculate the value, or basically I calculate the maximum value for that particular thing, right? So if my iterator, or basically iterator on second, which is nothing but my value for the hash map, is greater than the value itself, then I'll update my value accordingly. So after the traversal of this loop, I'll have the maximum value of frequencies in my hash map, or basically in this integer value, right? Then I'll simply print out according to the answer that s of length minus value, or basically the length of the string minus the maximum frequency of the character that we are choosing, right? And this will be our answer. So now let us run our code on the cases to understand whether everything is working correctly or not. Okay, so as you can see, we got the exact answer according to the output format, and yes, this becomes the correct code for this particular problem, right? Now, let me discuss what people can make mistakes in this particular problem. So here, the important observation was that we can just simply choose the maximum frequency character and then reduce it from the length of the string to get our required answer. So I think that if that particular observation was clear, I think the code is quite straightforward. And I don't think anywhere else there are high chances of making mistakes in this particular problem. So yeah, there's a learning you get from watching this video. I hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.